Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2019 Volkswagen Jetta Highline that we have on the lot. This beautiful Jetta is finished in a nice gray exterior with a beautiful black leatherette interior. Coming around to the second row here, you'll see again that black leatherette, lots of leg space, and you'll see up top that it comes with a nice sunroof. Coming around to the cargo area, making the most out of the space, you have a left and right side cut out, and you can expand into the cabin as a 60-40 split by pulling these back switches. Coming around now to the driver area here, you will notice classic Volkswagen steering wheel. Left side will give you your cruise control. This does have a lot of safety features, one of those things being radar cruise control, so you could set your distance on the highway and forget about it. On the right side here, you will see your Bluetooth and media controls. Currently, this vehicle is sitting at 31,874 kilometers. This media center here will give you Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as Sirius XM radio. You will also have automatic climate control, dual zone, so left and right side can be different. The Jetta is a fantastic choice for Toronto as it is extremely fuel efficient with a nice 1.4 turbo engine. And it comes packed with a lot of features and comfort. A bit larger than the Civic and Corolla in its class. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. We look forward to assisting you. Please contact us with any questions that you may have. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.